place to see the difference between primary forest and the secondary forest. And if the weather permits, you might have a look at sunrise.
My photo.
Welcome to Borneo Rainforest Lodge.
What a garden!
So we just got received by Miss Farah and Miss Jessica.
This smells so good.
These are actually pandan leaves and it's kind of itchy. This is lemongrass and ginger water that they give to all the guests when they first arrive. And cold towels.
Cold towels.
Everybody here is so friendly.
Huh? This room is so big. No. Oh my god. Look at these towels. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 towels.
How do you work the coffee machine? Oh, you know?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then top.
Yes.
And then top. And then top.
Right.
See you at the restaurant. We're at lunch now. This is my lunch and it looks delicious. Oh my gosh. We are going to watch a slideshow about Danum Valley and then we're gonna have dinner and go to the night safari.
First, we have to gain specific understanding of ecological process and evolutionary mechanism that maintain tropical rainforests. But my best sighting at BRL so far, like I said, I took 3 years to see clouded leopard.
Oh.
It was walking on the suspension bridge.
Wow.
Really?
Vanessa, don't. Wow! Our guide Olivia just spotted a big male orangutan in the nature trail that is rushing.
What you looking at?
Big male orangutan feeding on a liana.